In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your site effectively. There are two main approaches you can take: creating a brand new site from scratch, or resetting your current site using the Site History feature. I'll walk you through both methods so that you can decide which best suits your needs. Let's start by discussing the process of resetting your site through its history. This is a great option if you want to revert to a previous version of your website without the hassle of starting anew. To begin, open your editor and look toward the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the Site option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Site History. The Site History is essentially a log of all the changes made over time, and navigating this feature can be similar to flipping through the pages of your website's past. Once you access the Site History, you'll be greeted with a chronological list of revisions you've made. If you're hoping to revisit the earliest iteration of your site, simply scroll down until you reach the very bottom of the list. There you will see the very first version of your site captured right at the inception. Clicking on this version provides you with the option to preview it in detail. If, upon viewing, you decide that this is the version you wish to revert back to, you can do so easily by selecting Restore. This action will seamlessly reset your site to this previous state, allowing you an effortless return to your original setup. Now, let's switch gears to talk about the alternative method: creating a brand new site from scratch. This can be an ideal route if you're looking to approach your projects with a clean slate. It grants you the fresh opportunity to infuse a new vision or design without being tethered to previous configurations or elements. Starting afresh can be rewarding and invigorating, prompting creative inspiration and an entirely new outlook on your web design approach. As you decide which method suits you better, keep in mind how extensive the changes might need to be. Resetting through Site History is efficient for minor rollbacks or retrieving previous versions, while creating a new site from scratch can provide comprehensive freedom in your redesign efforts. Whether you choose one method or the other ultimately depends on your goals and the extent of the update or overhaul you wish to achieve. By now, you should have a clearer understanding of these two approaches. Each offers unique advantages and can be tailored to your specific needs. Whichever path you choose, both guarantee an effective way to manage and refresh your web presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification.